Undercover better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. Undercover better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto, undercover better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto.
Morning, what's going on, everybody? Happy Monday. I know you guys love me screaming at you in the morning. How are we all doing? Gang, 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 gang. Let's lower this. I think I shrunk over the weekend. Oh, your presence is a present. You know? How's it going, guys? I mean, and gals, don't forget about those ladies. How we all doing? Happy Monday. Amazing. An amazing day. It's good to be here. What's going on? Bitcoin getting a pump, getting a dump. Indecisive. And we absolutely crushed it over the weekend. So congrats to all your gains. Whew, let's say good morning to all you guys. We had a good weekly close. Now we got a little bit of a dip. We're gonna go over that. We'll check out the weekly candle close and make sure we get all up to date, my friends. However, it's all about you. How was your weekend? Let me know in the chat there. I'm really actually curious because I had a terrific weekend. Even though I wasn't able to golf and I got rained out, I'm still in a good mood. Let's jump into the chat. Let's jump into the charts. Bitcoin looking to push. Can it continue to bounce up from here? We'll figure it out. We always do. Thank you guys for being here. Smashing that like. Let's jump into it. Good morning to all you absolute, utterly fantastic people. My God, what an amazing weekly close. Okay, we got this big old, I don't want to be inappropriate, but a big tail here. I'm looking for this thing to push back up. That's pretty nice in my opinion. We'll see how that works out. But we got to say good morning to you guys. Good morning, Mr. Mark Dutch. How's it going, bro? Mr. Motter Otter, the one himself. Maddox, good morning. That was some fun last night. We played some Halo last night. And, yeah, it was it was lots of fun. Lots of smack talking. Good times. Forget about it. What's going on? Let's get after it relentlessly. Absolutely. Good morning, Luke Bailey. Good morning, Sibel. Father Time. Good to see you. Hope you're having a wonderful morning. Quazim. Greetings, Otter fam. Greetings to you, my man. Good day, JP. And EZC, good morning to you. How's it going? Chadwick's racing. Watch out, man. He's racing. He's racing to the charts. He's ready to trade. Swag Soralex, what's going on? What's going on? Aaron, good morning to you. I mean, a whole bunch of absolute legends in here. Make sure you guys say good morning. We take the time to go through and say good morning because I find it's important, you know. The reason why we do this, in my opinion, it's almost like coming to the office or like showing up to work and you get to say hello to all your fellow friends, you know? I think it's important. You know, maybe we won't talk to that one person in the corner who, you know, is a meanie. That Tony Soprano, what's going on? Good morning to you, my man. Hope you're doing well. WF Motivation Wonderbar. What's going on? Super Ofertus. What's going on? Swag. What's going on? Lotmo Crypto. Good morning to you. Darko. Hi. How's it going? Michael. Hey, mate. Hey, mate. Hey, mate. You're right. You're right. John Foster Crypto. French Toaster. Chris Klein. Good morning to you. Not a fan of Mondays over here. Come on, Toaster. You're the brave little toaster. You should be excited. Thought it was Friday. I think we all think it's Friday because it's always a Friday here. We always having fun. Good morning, C90. Good morning, Journey. Good morning to you. Good morning, City. I think I saw City. Where is it? City. Guile, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Lunar Beaches, Crypto. What's going on, brother? Good to see you. Brian Sanchez. There's C-A-T, Brian Sanchez. Trade Intuition, my man. What's going on, brother? Good to see you. Good to see you. Good to see you. Oh, my God. Look at all these amazing people. Let's effing go, says Koala Gamer. Good to see you, man. Drew, Max, Paul. What's going on? AG, Meme TV, Tony Soprano. Show Alex some love by hitting that like button. Yeah, that would be appreciated. I always appreciate the like button being absolutely decimated, okay? I will try not to call on you too many times and be too annoying. But I do appreciate a little bit of a like love, I guess we'll call it. Well, the like love. Walsh Jesse, good morning to you. G Corp, good morning. Huddle Crypto. J Armo, what's going on? Who won the Halo tournament? Well, we had a whole bunch of games and it went really well and we played like 2-on-2, 4-on-4, and we decided that, you know, everybody who played, which was only there was actually only 5 of us who were actually playing. So there's me, OC, and 3 others, and they're all gonna get some gifts as well for participating and hanging out. It was lots of fun, and I mean I played OC 1-on-1, okay, and I'm not here to brag, but I'm here to brag, okay? I played OC 1-on-1, and I will let Aaron tell you. I will let Aaron can tell you how it went. Matt can tell you how it went. Okay? They can let you know what happened in Halo. It was a fun time. It was a fun time. But we can all do it again. I can show you the score. How about I just humble myself and show you the score? Because I did screenshot the score after playing OC, and it was fun. It was fun. It was a little bit one-sided. A little bit one-sided. That's all I gotta say. So if you do want to add me to Xbox, you can. I don't play Xbox that much, but this is me. HDMH Frosty here, and I was facing OC, which is Fire Owl here, and there's your score. I think OC, by the end of it, he was just jumping off the building because it was so painful. I think we all know. I think that's all I gotta say. I don't want to get too cocky. It's not who I am. But I mean, in our Discord, we had to share the Halo, you know, the classic Halo. Oh man, how do you go negative? That's what. Not in the middle of the night. How about Friday? Maybe we do it Friday. But yeah, it was 10 to -1. OC got spanked. Yeah, so it was you feel bad, but sometimes you gotta lay down the law, man. Sometimes you just gotta lay down the law. So yeah, it was 10 to -1, which is pretty funny. However, let's jump into Bitcoin, friends. Thank you guys so much for being here. It is 8:26. Okay, so we got about an hour until market opens. Right now, I'm looking to get long. This thing looks juicy. Okay, so I'm looking to get long actually right where we are right now. Hopefully take this thing back up to all this liquidity above us here. Okay, and I'm looking to get in as we speak. So that's the idea this morning. We'll leave it at that. I'll let you guys know if I do enter right now. It's kind of one of those, can we get a sweep before we head up? But I'll let you guys know if I make the decision to get long this morning. But it is looking like a possible long opportunity, at least taking it back up to this underside area here. So you're at least targeting up in here around 63,400. We'll see if we get there, but I am looking for this to continue to push. Now, why is that? It's the short-term time frames here. The 30, the 1 hour is looking really nice. Okay, it's cooled off. The 2, the 3, the 4, right? If you've watched my video, the 2, the 3, the 4 is not looking so good. However, the daily is looking, and the 2-day look absolutely delicious. Okay, they look like fruity pebbles. They're like, look at the 2-day here. Okay, so the 2-day view up to the upside, a little bit overextended on money flow. So I'd like to see that curve up, printing a green dot. So this isn't confirmed yet, but this looks nice. We got holding of the stochastics at the middle line. Okay, so this is looking like it wants to continue. The daily trigger wave down below, beautiful crossover here on VWAP. We had that push last night. That was great, but we've confirmed a beautiful trigger wave. Remember, I talked to you guys about oscillating above, then we trigger down. This is typically a beautiful opportunity to get long. We'll see if it plays out. So I am looking to get long right now, but we're going to go over the weekly and top-down analysis as we always do, okay? So thank you, everybody, for being here. I appreciate you guys. Yes, we won 10 to -1. I don't know how I can play up to 10 and beat somebody to -1. I don't know how you get 11 points, but it happened, okay? I just got to say, it's just a little spanking. Sometimes you got to say, who is your daddy and what does he do? Okay, and that's what happened. Okay, so maybe we do another Halo tournament on middle of the day Friday or something like that. If you guys are interested, we can do that. Aaron says he jumped off the map. Yeah, he was so... is negative shooting yourself? He jumped off the map. He was just scared. He got to the point where he just... no, it was actually halfway through the game. He fell off the map. Juan Marine says, I took profits on Say yesterday. That's amazing, man. Make sure you guys are paying yourself. I mean, if you aren't in our Discord either, like that's where all the goods are, man. I mean, we gave you guys the long setup yesterday. Ooh, we did it. Bang. Entered Sunday position, okay? This was the long all the way up. Yesterday, that absolutely banged. Okay, a perfect little setup. If you took it, you took it. We took it, and it went quite nicely for everybody here. So the target was hit. You know, we give you signals. We let you know when we enter, when we exit, all the money we are making. Everybody having a little bit of a party yesterday. We gave you the targets of where we came up to. Bitcoin did that. Okay, we also gave you the idea to coming up to the golden pocket. Bitcoin did that. Okay, through the naked point of control. It since has retested the point of control. Okay, we gave you that. We also gave you an amazing SUI trade. Okay, so we gave you SUI here. SUI moved up 10% overnight. Okay, looking at the SUI trade, banging, amazing SUI trade. That played out as well. So, I mean, if you're not part of the premium Discord, you're missing out. I mean, I don't mean to create the FOMO, but I'm creating the FOMO because we absolutely crushed it on a Sunday. Okay, on a Sunday, baby. Let's go. Shout out to all you guys who are taking those trades, making that money. I mean, amazing. We also gave a near setup. Okay, near is still pumping. Okay, this is still working out. Look at the entries, man. You can't buy that kind of gold, right? Look at this. This was the SUI trade. Okay, look at it, absolutely ripping beyond expectations. Okay, and then the Bitcoin trade yesterday was definitely a doozy, which was down from this breakout over here. Where was it? Right here. So this was the breakout we gave yesterday as well, right from the bottom to right from here, right all the way up. So that was an amazing trade as well. So if you do want to join us in the Discord, we would love to have you. Absolutely crushing it. Absolutely crushing it. It was quite a Sunday. I was pretty impressed with the movement we got on Sunday. So pushing up for that weekly candle close, which is interesting. It's not the greatest, but it's better than nothing. Okay, so what you have here is you just have a big tail, right? So this thing, 3 white soldiers on the way up here. Then you get a big tail here. So we did come down and grab some liquidity, which is healthy. And now we are looking for continuation. We'll see if we get that continuation. It's going to be an interesting week. All things this week point to, okay, they're all pointing to, I believe it's Thursday. If we look at our economic calendar, we can see what do we got coming Thursday. Taking a peep over here is that we got core inflation. Okay, core inflation rate. We want to see this coming down, right? Even though that they're cutting rates, we want to see this come down, right? So you're forecasted at 2.3 here. Okay, you want to see that continue down, 3.1 on core. You want to see this coming down. Bullish for Bitcoin and other risk on assets. Okay, and then we do have GDP month over month and stuff on Friday. So Thursday and Friday is really what we're looking for. So the beginning of this week, you know, we have FOMC minutes and some other stuff, but not a heck of a lot. So this looks like a promising beginning of the week for us to be able to take advantage of price action, trade it, and not have, you know, scammy news stuff knock us out. Obviously, there's geopolitical tension, and we're aware of that. However, we just trade what's in front of us and try to take advantage of price action. So what's going on here, top-down analysis, is we can see that we have a little bit of a push up on our weekly here, pushing up a little bit of a retracement. Okay, we're looking for continuation on our VWAP here. On the weekly, we got the weekly candle. Okay, and this has come down, so we're looking for continuation up. Look at the ramping here on money flow. Okay, this is beautiful ramping, and we are clearly in an uptrend on the weekly, holding the zero line. So this is looking decent so far. We just got to see how this plays out to the upside. Hopefully that momentum can continue to push going into this upcoming week. Okay, so that's looking good. We talked about the 2-day and the daily. Okay, the 3 days a bit iffy. It's not giving me what I really want. Like you can see, we have a confirmed red dot here, but we do have VWAP coming over to the upside. And if you noticed, we have a green stochastics. Okay, this green stochastics can front run an up move or a down move when it flips color. Okay, so something to keep in mind when watching stochastics. When it flips color, you can typically look for these things to change direction. There's your downtrend. There's your uptrend. Okay, and this is a somewhat of a leading indicator telling us, hey, we possibly could be looking for some upside over the next, you know, couple weeks, right? Because this is a higher term time frame. Looking at the 2-day, like I said, the 2-day green dot's printing. It hasn't printed yet. Looking for the VWAP to cross over to the upside. Same with the daily with the trigger wave. Money in the green. VWAP has room to the upside. So these are all looking fairly good. However, we want to remember sentiment. I talked about sentiment over on my newest video, helping you guys understand the scalping strategy in the morning. And that's very much along the lines of, hey, what's happened over the weekend, right? Everybody's getting bullish. So maybe we want to be contrarian to that idea and position ourselves accordingly, okay? So these are things that you need to always keep in mind. Monday is typically a false move, things like that are going to help you take advantage of the price action, okay? How do I join the Discord? The Discord link should be down below, and it's you go to the membership section. And it's only $1 a day. It's $20, $1 a day. I mean, it doesn't get much better than that. You go over here. Yeah, you come over. You go to membership. You click on the button right here, and then you sign up. And then you get access to all the traders. It's not just me, okay? You get me. You get Kyle, who's an amazing trader as well. You get Brewberry, who's an amazing trader as well. All his charts. Kyle's entries and exits. He lets you know. Kyle's an amazing trader as well, giving you guys all the setups. Kyle is currently sick right now, so keep Kyle in your thoughts. He was in the hospital, I believe, yesterday. So Kyle's hopefully recovering, but he wasn't feeling too hot. Okay, too hot. So hopefully Kyle's feeling better, but he'll be back soon. Okay. Now, getting into our 12-hour, this is the concern, right? So, but what has price action done? We got to really look at this. So, price action has mitigated the high here. Okay, it has made a bit of an accumulation, 1, 2, 3 here, right? Now we are looking in this general area for a higher low, right? Higher low. Does this mean that this can just come down like this and then go? Absolutely. What are we doing right now? We have just recently hit the golden pocket. Okay, so if we're looking at this, we've just hit the golden pocket, which is a retracement level, which suggests that we could continue down. Okay, this is still very much on the table. However, what happened is that we really did hit a vital area of support. Okay, we hit this area here, which is, if we draw the horizontal right across, a vital area of support. And you can see that we've touched and flipped this support and resistance multiple times throughout the past. So this would make sense if the bulls fought here and held this to continue to push. Okay, this would make sense for this area to hold. Okay, so right now we want to see continuation to the upside. It doesn't mean that we aren't going to get a little bit of a retracement right now. So that meaning, hey, we could come down here and then continue there, okay? I'm not necessarily in the camp yet of this, but we need to be aware that this is still very possible, okay? And we do have our key areas down below that we are ready to trade if and when we get the idea that we're going to roll over, okay? A little bit of a tweezer top coming here on the 12-hour, so let's be aware of that as well. But we do have another 11 hours for this candle to play out on the 12-hour. So a little bit of patience here. We'll see how it works out. We've had a push up over the weekend, right? Maybe it wants to come back and grab some liquidity before heading up. Okay, let's get into our 8-hour money flow. Is something we always check, and you can see it's ramped back to the upside, which is a good sign. Now the 4, the 3, and the 2 are looking a little bit bearish. Okay, we can see view up crossing down, red dot confirmed, looking like it wants to cool off a little bit. 3-hour, same kind of deal. Okay, but money is coming up on the 3-hour. A little bit of a different sign here where view op's overextended and could roll to the upside. Then 2-hour here is suggesting a little bit of a bounce because view op's pretty overextended. Can we see that curvature roll to the upside today? That's what I'm looking for. Now, the 1-hour is what I'm looking at here. So the 1-hour here, we have momentum waves coming to the 0 line, money coming up, view up coming up. This is all looking like a potential for a bounce. Okay, so if we go from swing low to swing high, we can see that we are pretty much in that area where we are looking for a retracement. We bounced off to 786. We're looking for this to continue onwards and upwards. We do have some key areas that we are aware of below us. Now, the first one we have bounced off of, but if we do come any lower, we're looking for the liquidity grab down below us around 62,300. Okay, that's going to be another level. And then we had this big box here, I guess you would say, of the golden pocket. Okay, and there's an order block within here as well. So this is going to be a doozy for price action to get through. Now, what is important about this area in here is if we zoom out, we can see that we have a very thick range in here. So if we go from here over to here, we can see the range that we have within here that we would like for price to hold. Okay, so we are at the lower part of that range, which is the discount zone. So we're in the discount zone of this range, looking for this thing to possibly bounce up to the highs of this range and start to reclaim maybe this fair value gap up here or even the liquidity up at the top here. Okay, so these would be targets if we are to get long. But right now it's holding this area, and doesn't mean we can't chop like we did over here. That would be, beneficial in the sense that we would create some sort of flag here, right? Flag out and then continue upwards. That's very much possible right now. But right now we're at the lower part of the range, and then we do have a little bit of support below us here. But you can see how the difference between the volume is within this area. Okay, so right now, I'm looking to get long a little bit. We'll see if we can take that at least up to the highs here around 64,000, and we'll try to play it that way. Okay, so now you have my ideas. What are your guys' ideas? Do you think we're going to go up or down? Let me know in the chat. We'd love to hear it. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. Mad love to every single one of you. We've got a million. No, we got 88 of you in here. No, 154. So I turned off the ads today. This is the first time. I want to see a 1 in the chat that you're happy there's no ads. Okay? I turned off the ads today for the first time because we started getting more viewers and some people don't have the premium YouTube. Okay? I turned off the ads. So for you guys, I hope it's better. I wasn't getting the same viewers with the ads off, so we'll see how the viewership does today and then we'll go from there. What's going on, Tyson? Mad love to you. I can't even get in the free Discord. It keeps giving me the error. It should work. We got a super chat here. Alex O, what do you think? 2-week green dot. Last time it confirmed we flew with momentum in the same position. Oh, I think he meant same direction. So the 2-week green dot here, right? If we're looking at the green dot, yeah, we have confirmed that 2-week green dot. That's absolutely beautiful, right? So we had one confirm over here. I don't know why I hit horizontal. And then we had one confirm over here. This is where we're at. This is the one he's talking about, I think. So let's ignore this one. But if we're looking at where this is in relation to the other one, right? If we go to this one here, we can see that these are on the same plane. This means possible big move to the upside. Now we already have green money flow. So this is looking juicy, and this one was definitely looking juicy. VWAP here, very similar position as well. So yeah, that's a great spot, man. I like that. That looks strong. Especially the difference is that you got a lot of room with stochastics here to the upside, and you're kind of just like price action is right now. You're in this flag. Okay, so maybe less move to the upside if we do get it, but nonetheless, this is looking strong, and you got ramping of money flow. Okay, so this is looking strong as well. So that's a good spot. We'll see how that plays as well. Thanks for putting that out. That's incredible. I think it can play, right? Right now, we try to take advantage of what's in front of us, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, look at this big old topping tail we got on the daily. We'll see how that continues to play out. Let's get into our shorter term time frames here. Like I said, I'd let you know if we are getting long. Not quite yet, okay? Let's see how this non-ads is. Is it possible to pay via crypto? I'm sorry, we do not have that set up right now. Okay, please do SUI chart. SUI is overextended right now. We took the long yesterday. Please do SUI chart. They're speaking some sort of language in here. Much love to you guys. Is that Dutch? Okay. Alex, you missed my super chat. We just covered it. So there we go. I won't miss it, bro. I got you. Good morning, maybe a Band-Aid. Wick 589. Red Rover. Let's go. What's going on? Lloyd Rogers, Spencer, Sibel, if you're just coming in, say good morning. Jonathan Schaefer in the chat. What's going on? Let's make some money. Let's go, bro. Nick, what's going on, Nick? Good to see you. Dave Digital, mad love to you, man. Love the mods in here, man. Thank you guys so much for being here. Mad love to all of you guys. Hope you're having a wonderful morning. Okay, so let's get into it. Rate your weekend. 5 to 8, 9 to 10. I love Mondays. You guys kill me. Do you guys love Mondays? I think you guys love Mondays. Don't lie to me. You guys love your Mondays. Okay, Mondays are fun days. False move. Can we continue to break up from here? Nick gifted 5 memberships. My God. Nick, my man. Okay, Nick shares the sheriff duties with Jonathan Schaefer in the Discord. Nick keeps the Discord safe. Don't mess with Nick. Nick has his own emoji. If you do have the new membership, let's see some axes in the chat. Because if you mess around, Nick will give you the axe. He's got no time for your BS. Thank you. Thank you so much, Nick. God bless you, bro. Thank you for supporting the channel, man, and being part of the gang. Okay. So let's take a look here. VWAP sits above us right now. Like I said, we're looking for this potential long. We got to push up here pretty aggressively this morning, and now it's coming to roll over. Like we said, we're looking for something along this lines of hey-ho. Let's see if we can go. Yeah, we have a key support level in here, right around 62.8. That's that key level we are looking to hold, okay? So it is going to be a little bit of, it's going to need some force in order to break through to the downside here. So we are looking for support to come in and hold price up. Okay, that's going to be the idea here. However, I don't think they're going to make the longs easy, okay? As you can see here, they've pushed up, they've wrecked down, okay? Liquidity has been created. We have the Bart Simpson over the weekend, very clearly pushing up. Bart Simpson back down, okay? Still trying to make higher highs and higher lows for continuation, but it's going to be, you know, it's not up only right now. It's looking like we want to wait for confirmation of this uptrend if we are going to get it. Money's coming in here on the 3-minute, 24. Money is coming out, right? So we favor the 24. Looking at the green dot confirmed here, but VWAP is crossing to the downside. Okay, so this is indecision right now. We have the middle line here on stochastics trying to hold up. Let's look at our 15. 15 VWAP crossover to the downside, but money's coming in. So that's more bullish in my opinion. So a mixed bag this morning alongside with the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 in the place to be. What's going on? Cones trading, my man. Everybody. Oh my God. Cones in the house, man. What's going on, my man? Let's go. Let's see some raccoons in the chat. Oh man. You know what? This guy is amazing, man. I love this guy. What an amazing. We'll blame Mark Dutch, okay? We'll blame Mark Dutch for introducing us. Okay, thank you, Mark. But guys, I don't typically shout out people, but this guy is. If you want to learn Elliott waves, if you want to learn CVD, I think his most popular one. Even if you don't want to learn Elliott waves, you gotta watch the CVD. Look at this, 35,000 views. This is, and I mean, he's an incredible teacher. He does great lives. He's a family man. He's a kind man. I think that's the best thing I can explain is that, you know, there's humility and kindness within people, and I respect that the most. So thank you so much for dropping by, my man. We gotta do a collab again on your channel. I think it was on your channel. We did one on mine. It was a learning curve, and then can you check BTCTA, please? We did a top-down analysis already, so maybe just rewind the video. Do you speak Spanish? You look Spanish. I'm Italiano. No, I'm part Italian, so I speak French better than anything, to be honest. What's going on, Cones? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Make sure you subscribe to Cones as well. You are the family, man. I got a wifey at the moment. You got work to do, man. You got work to do. Come on, man. Get it out of. Don't keep it in your pants. Get it out of your pants, bro. I think I saw that you did like an Ironman competition or something like that. Something like that. I think I saw you. You were climbing ropes and shit and climbing through mud. I don't know what it was. Was that a Spartan race? But I've always wanted to do one. I was playing Halo instead. We had a Halo tournament, so I was doing a Spartan video game session, bro. And Cones used to play, I believe, competitive video games. And Cones, I just wanted to make you proud for 1 second, okay? So I got to show you this, okay? So we were playing Halo 2 last night, okay? And I used to play for Bungie when I was younger. And one of our friends of the channel was talking a lot of smack, right? And he said he was going to kick my derriere. So we played one-on-one last night, bro. And you can see that this is me here, and this was him here. And you can see what happened. He even fell off the map. I think he got scared. So I think Cones would appreciate this score for a one-on-one match. It was fun. We'll put it that way. I didn't want to do it. But sometimes you just have to say, "Hey, I'm the Master Chief, not you." So Trackmania professionally, yeah. You used to play, yeah. Cones used to play. That's how you put it down. Yeah, let's go. Right? So, I mean, sometimes you just got to be like, okay, you asked for it. You asked for it. Too good. Too good. Master Chief, that's the one. Stop the cap. Oh, man. Oh, thanks for dropping by, bro. We'll see if we can take advantage of Bitcoin price action. When are you doing the one for Europeans? So we'll have to do one maybe Friday afternoon. Maybe Friday afternoon we'll do one. Maybe this week even. We'll see. We'll see. You got the toupee going on, Cones, eh? You got the toupee going on. He looks like the baguette, eh? Qu'est-ce que c'est, mon ami? Eh, parlez français, très bien. Mon cheveu. Oh, good. So right now I'm looking for this thing to roll over. Bull div. We'll see if we get it. Let me take a look here. So, yeah, this is looking a little bit weak. We'll see if we do come down into any of these areas that we have our sights set on. Okay. Yeah, nothing as of yet. Nothing as of yet. We'll see how this plays. Okay. Looking to potentially get long this morning, but right now it's looking a little weak. Dixie. Look at the Dixie after that jobs report. Absolutely massive. Have a wonderful day, Cones. Mad love, brother. Mad love. Québécois. Oui, oui. Alex, I want to 1v1 you in Halo now. Oh, God. Everybody's lining up, right? Everybody wants to take my master queef away from me. Oh, stop the cap. See, we're going to stop the cap, La Viva. Thank you. Thank you for keeping us humble. Cone with beard. Yeah, I think you... Chief Otter. Let's go. Once upon a Halo, I could have taken Alex, but it's been years. Yeah, I believe you, Wick. I'm trying to believe you. Okay, I'm trying my best. Oh man. So Dixie looks like it wants to roll over, which is good. Like we can potentially look for the Bart Simpson here on Dixie to roll over and come back down. You can see the massive push this has happened here, and that's clearly like the war and the jobs report. So strength, right? Then we can look at the S&P. I mean, is absolutely insane right now. Just continuing to like not give two bleeps. Continues to rip. Okay, so this is looking strong as well. The NASDAQ as well is recovering. Okay, looking to push up. Russell looking for expansion as well. So a bunch of things trying to push. Okay, the Russell still needs to get above this like 2300 area, but you know, nonetheless, this is a retracement looking for continuation. Okay, so we'll see how that goes, and hopefully we can take advantage of price action this morning. Thank you everybody for being here. Mad love. Good to see you, Massey. Good to see you, Brian. I played Infected in Halo and while watching trades play out. That was that in the finals. Awesome. Good to see you all. And here's 10-0. Seems like someone needs to be at Alex at Halo before the next giveaway. That's the one. It was -1. He was -1, Dave. I don't know how I think he just jumped off the map. Pretty funny. Pretty funny. Good times, good times. So we'll see how Bitcoin opens this morning. We do have half an hour until market opens, so we're just being a little bit patient right now. Letting the price kind of tell us what it wants to do. Right now, this is looking a little bit like a rollover. We possibly bounced off the 382 here. Let's take a look. 382 bounce. Yeah, 0.5. Yes. So still hopium for a little bit of a bounce at this key level here. We'll see if we do get it. I might look to take a little stab this morning if we do like SFP and then bounce, but nothing as of yet. Okay, looking for this thing view ups above us. So can we do something like this where we bounce, get a higher low, get long here? That's a possibility. So we'll have to wait and find out what price action is going to do this morning. Yeah, we got the point of control that we just got rejected off of coming down. We are in a little mini downtrend coming back to possibly this area within here. Not convinced on anything yet. The thing is when you get a move like this over the weekend, you can imagine retail is getting excited, right? So they're getting long here, where we got long down here yesterday in the premium. So they're going to come back down for liquidity. Maybe this is an ABC here, ABC, right? And now we look for continuation out. Okay, so reclaiming this level at 62,800 is bullish in my opinion. So if we can hold 62.8, we look for continuation. If we can't hold 62.8, we're most likely coming down to like this pink zone here, which is 61,500, which is the full retracement, the golden pocket of this up range for continuation this way. Okay, so we have a plan. We just need to wait and be patient as always, which you guys love. You guys love when I say patience, patience, wait, don't get in yet. I mean, you guys love it. Don't lie. You just want a long now. Okay. Can't lose to a boomer. Let's go. Jonathan Schaefer's out doing reps, man. How are you looking at this hidden bearish divergence on the 4-hour time frame? So is that on an RSI? It's probably on an RSI because you're not getting hidden. This to me isn't hidden bearish divergence on a 4 hour. It's probably an RSI you're looking at. So let's see. Let's see. Price is making a higher high. I don't see your bearish divergence. Hidden. Are you looking at this then? From here to here? No, you can't be looking at that. I'm not sure what you're talking about. Maybe I'm blind. Maybe I'm blind. Too much, not enough coffee this morning. Hitting the Halo gym. Oh, man. NPCs. We're throwing a disco party. We got 164 watching this stream. What is patience? What is patience? Yeah. We'll see. We'll see. Everybody wants to take my crown now in Halo. You guys can have the crown. I don't mind. We're all Otter family. We all here to work together. I just want to make money together. That's it. Right? That's it. We got 157 people here. 168. And we turned off the ads today. We'll see how the numbers work, but if you want the ads to stay off, I suggest you smash that like button because that's going to get more people in here. And the more people, the more I'm inclined to keep the ads off. Now, I have noticed because I am a smaller channel that keeping the ads on has brought in more viewers, which, we want to grow. We want you to subscribe. We continue to show up every Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, providing, as much information as we possibly can. And it really helps the channel if you smash the like button. So if you don't mind, is there let me know how you would want a content creator to say, smash the damn like button. All right. How would you want them to say? Would you want them to say, please, would you mind? It really helps the channel. Or would you say, smash the like button, guys? Come on, there's value here. Or would you like them to say, hey guys, you over there, take your attention off my beautiful face and smash that damn like button. Can you smash it, tickle it, fluff it, whatever you do to a like button? I don't know what you do. Okay. Look at the bounce we're getting here. Okay, so now we have a nice little anchor trigger here looking to push up. Market opens in half an hour. Dixie looking like it can it's flagging. However, we'd love to see a Bart Simpson here come down. Okay. S&P continues to rip. Did we gap on the CME? Let's check out CME here. Everybody likes a good gap in this group. I know that. Do we have any gappage? I don't see any gappage on CME. No gappage. Okay, that's nice. I like no gappage on CME. That's always a good sign. The ES, V-shaped recovery coming for the order block in here. You guys trading any altcoins? What altcoins are you looking at? Someone asked me to look at TIA, or not TIA. Sui went boom. Okay, we gave the long in the Discord. Rolled over, came to our key support here, which was just basically the middle of this range over here. Came into that. Okay, made sense. This is everybody's bullish on Sui now, so we took the trade, right? I mean, you protect your risk, pretty cheap to the upside here, and off you went. A very easy break of structure continuation trade, just like Bitcoin over the weekend. Okay, so now you're clearly topping up at the previous highs. We'll see if it can continue, right? A nice move for Sui. Overextended a bit, but I mean, you still got those all-time highs around $2.20 that it can look to target. Okay, this is just building a base for continuation, in my opinion. So Sui's looking strong. Near's looking strong as well. We gave this idea. It's actually looking quite strong. I think Ethereum's gonna surprise a lot of people soon. Ethereum, in my opinion, is looking to surprise people. We'll see if Ethereum can push. We get above that $2,800 level. I think Ethereum's going to absolutely decimate people's minds. But we'll see. Everybody's like, ew, Ethereum. Ew, Ethereum shit. Oh, we'll see. Injective, nice bounce as well. So that's looking okay. TIA, okay, I bought some TIA down here. I bought some more TIA. Looking for this thing to continue. Okay, altcoin season isn't fully here yet. However, we've had a series of higher highs and higher lows on total 3. So now we are looking for this thing to push. Okay, we need it to push. We'll see if we get it. Okay, we'll see if we get it. Right now, we trade Bitcoin and rotate our profits into all that good stuff as well. Do you trade ETH? Yeah, sometimes. Sometimes we trade ETH. Trading AVAX. Okay. Mu, Sui. Jonathan Schaefer loves a tight gap. The creator shouldn't have to ask when the content is good. The creator has proven consistent. Their responsible community member should automatically smash the dang likes. Yeah. To be fair, when I tune into all the other creators to support them and stuff, sometimes they say, "You mind smashing the like?" I've even forgotten. So it helps remind me to do it. Sometimes it just over my head, right? So it actually is like I appreciate when they say, "Did you smash the likes?" Because sometimes I haven't, and therefore it reminds me to do so. You always want to support people. It's not always easy being a content creator. You know, you're just getting in here, hanging out with you guys, and then, you know, live, editing, all that stuff. No trades in absence, please, says Lloyd Roger Spencer. Oh, man. So I don't mind at all when people say, "Hey, man, do you mind smashing the like?" It helps, because it does help. It's clear. Like when we have likes, like we had 140 likes one time, and we had over 1,000 viewers. Right? It shows that like it helps with reach, which is so important. Like we want to help as many people as possible, and I think we deliver value and quality content. We've had one loss in the last month and a half. Like we've been absolutely decimating these charts on the live streams. So it's like it's really cool to be part of. Oh, looking for this. Lloyd Roger Spencer, get that drink, bro. Get that drink, bro. Lloyd Roger Spencer, bro. You better get that drink, man. We're getting ready. We're getting ready, bro. Woo-wee. Mr. Lloyd Rogers, I called him Royd Rogers. It's like if Roy Rogers did steroids. Oh man, Royd Rogers. Oh God. Good morning, Jeanette. Long or short this morning, Jeanette, you were given the setups on the weekend. We'll try to figure it out together as always, Jeanette. Thank you so much for being here. God bless you. Hopefully you had a wonderful weekend, okay? Good to see you. Good to see you. I seen the journey take the longs in the Discord as well, man. Congrats on your gains. RS Miller, how's it going, man? Good to see you post as well. Luke Zaldana, my man. Arpad, good to see you as well. Kick drum, looking at Myro. Yeah, some of the memes are popping off. Myro, Popcat. Yeah, some things really popping off. Roy Rogers, Cherry Coke when I was a kid. Yeah. We gotta love the Roy Rogers. Oh man. I'm still in the long. Should I hold it? 61.8. From the Discord, I don't. If you're in the long from 61.8, I'm looking for this to bounce, but I'm not convinced yet, Jeanette. So I'd be you haven't. I'm sure you've paid yourself because you're smart and you took the long from over here when we gave it in the Discord, but 61.8 all the way down here. Was that from the long from before? Where did you take that long from? That's incredible. 61.8, okay? I think you can still I think you're in a good spot here looking at 61.8. Yeah, like if we are going to retrace from this, I'm looking 61.4 as the main level, but 61.8 is actually really strong because you're just below this flag here that we broke out of. So you got this flag here, right? So if we do bounce off of here, I don't know if we necessarily get down here just yet. We'll have to wait and find out. Very nice trade though. Looking for that continuation, Jeanette. I would expect continuation here. We do have a big brick wall to get through at the golden pocket here. So be patient. Make sure you're always paying yourself though, please. Thank you everybody for being here. May I kindly ask that you smash the dang like button. Oh man. Oh, we're having too much fun. You can't ask a lady that, Schaefer. Jeanette, what's your leverage? Oh. She can have whatever leverage she wants. We got 20 minutes until market opens. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Amazing, amazing crew. We do have an amazing group of people here on the live stream. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 155 people in here, baby. Let's go. And 105 likes. That is a good ratio. I like that ratio. Now, if you are new here, come over. We have a free Discord and a trading group. Okay, trading group is $20 a month. I mean, if you can't pay your bills, you pay your phone bills, you pay your phone bills. With all these setups, I mean, we've given over probably, just in October, we've given probably over 10 setups. And it's only the 7th, okay? If you can't pay your bills, you pay your phone bills, you pay your phone bills. Okay? You probably shouldn't be trading, but you know, we deliver a lot of value here. We do 3 live streams for the members only. We have 3 traders in here, always helping you guys, answering your questions, trying to help you out. And we do have a free section. So if you don't have the means, oh, look at this. You guys are showing off here. Alex dominating in Halo. Then come over and just hang out, ask questions. We were a free Discord for 2 years. Okay? We want to help out everybody we can, okay? So come over, hang out. We'd love to have you. Thank you for being here. Smash the like, all those good things. And let's see what Bitcoin does. Right now, very, stalling out right now. No kind of direction. I'm looking for this, though. This would be ideal. Down in here. Do we have an order block down here? Let's go to a higher term time frame. 24. You do have liquidity in here. Yeah. It's all residing down below. Whoa, 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 whoa. Michael wanted me to look at his TA. Let's take a look, Michael. Okay, you got resistance and support coming in. Okay. Swing high to swing low. So your fib looks backwards, high to low. You want to go low to high. Okay? Low to high. Because your zero's here. So you want to go low to high because you're in an uptrend. So you go low to high. I see what you're doing here. So if we're going to go how I would chart that, right? So if we go over 1 hour here, we go to the 1 hour chart and we look at Bitcoin, just blank slate, right? Get rid of everything. Right, you have this channel here, so we can draw a regression channel here. Let's go from high to low. There's your regression channel, okay? Regression tool is really, really helpful. It's right over here, okay? Regression, it doesn't leave you much interpretation, okay? Regression trend, okay? Or you can connect some lows and highs, okay? So that's one way of doing it. You got that. Your fib that you pulled, your zero is here. Oh, wait, so you were the right way. You were the right way. So you're going from swing low to swing high. I would go from impulse move, so not this low, but this low here to high. This is all good. The way you did that is right. Sorry, I was wrong. Okay, and you're looking for this as resistance. So you had resistance coming through here, which I'm not too concerned about that. You really want to plot out your lows, right? So for me, I'd be looking, if I was going to look at this, okay, yeah, 382 bounce here, looking for continuation. You can track this momentum up here. You see this line? That's a much better trend line, okay? You can mark out your golden pocket, your 382, okay? Get rid of that. Understand where your volume is, right? So you look at this thing, like, okay, we got some support in here, but where is most of my support? I want to pull this general area and kind of mark out where am I looking for price to go, right? Expand that out, and you can see that you have a big, so this would be your low and your high, right? And your point of control. And then you have some support coming in down below at these highs here. And that's what you're looking for. Okay, so that's how I would isolate the price here. We have a trend line coming up quite nicely here, supported all throughout, right? So you're looking for this to hold and continuing to push. You have liquidity created here, has been returned. Okay, so this is healthy for a stepping kind of trend-based uptrend. So now we're looking for a potential SFP, some sort of bounce within this area, suggesting that we have strength to the upside. Right now, you've clearly trickled down overnight, looking for that continuation, okay? However, we know that everybody's getting a little bit probably too bullish in a situation like this. So does that mean that this can come back for liquidity down below here and down below here? Absolutely. So you need to be very cheap when trading this. Okay? So right now, you got to understand that, hey, we have not come for this low here. Okay, so this is a low target. This is a low target in here as well. So these are areas where price is going to retrace to if we do not continue upwards from here. Okay? You do have lows in here as well. And then alongside your golden pocket. So there's many targets to the downside right now. Yes, we are in this uptrend. Does look a little bit overextended. However, it is Monday. We'll see what we can do. Take advantage of this price action. I am favoring longs just for the short-term time frames because of this 1 hour trigger. Looking for that to continue to push. The 2, the 3, the 4 are looking bearish. Okay, so these can continue to roll over. Right? The daily is looking juicy. The daily looks juicy as ever. Wanting to see that continuation up here. So we have a bias, but we're not going to just willy-nilly blind trade on that bias. Hopefully that kind of answers some of your questions. I do like your chart and your thinking. Just want to make sure that you are aware of how I would do it. And yeah, so you got your 618 here. You have your support in here, your resistance in here. Is this a VWAP or a moving average? It looks more like a VWAP. So you're looking to hold support here. We'll see how that continues to work. All right. Are we getting that bounce? Are we getting that bounce? That's the question. We can be really cheap here, which is what I like. Look how cheap we can be. We can be really cheap here on a breakout retest. We'll see if we get it. Otherwise, I'm looking for a swing to the lows, right? Along that trend line. There's your trend line, right? So we'll see if we get that sweep of the lows. If not, we'll try to take advantage of it some other way. Now, where is the potential short? If we're looking at this, right? We have our key areas. Boop. So how will we look for the short here? So the short would go from swing high to swing low. Look at VWAP there. So I would put a box between VWAP and the 786 here and just be looking within this area here. Along VWAP, golden pocket. Are we going to get the break? Are we going to get the break? Lloyd Roger Spencer, are you ready? Royd Roger Spencer. This is a short-term time frame break, right? So we want to wait for confirmation of candle closing above and then possibly back down. Okay. There's a trend break. Trend break. Short-term time frames. Trend break. Royd Roger, are we taking the long today, Royd? And there it goes. Fly, Suey, fly. Is it flying? Oh, yeah. You got a symmetrical triangle here. Suey's looking to break out. Let's go. Bitcoin looking to break out. Let's go. We got 10 minutes till market opens. This could be the false move. Could be the false move. I'm not in a trade yet. I'm considering it, though. I'm considering the trade. Okay. We got a candle close above here. Now we're looking for this potential long. Woo-hoo-hoo. Everybody's getting excited. I can feel the tension through the screen. I can feel the tension. We got 115 likes in here. Let's go. Let's go. You guys are incredible. You guys are incredible. 160 people in here. Woo-wee. Do we get long? Are we going to get long? Long and strong? I think so. I think so. Let's see. Let's see, baby. Let's see. When Alex starts talking like this, everybody their ears, you can see their ears. Not as pointy as mine. Weird talent of mine. I can wiggle my ears one at a time. I can do so. So You know? Is that a talent? I don't know. Maybe that's just a party trick back in the day. They are quite pointy, aren't they? You should have seen. There was a part of my life where I was my head hadn't grown into my ears, so I looked like a straight up Dumbo. Like I was like part of the elven race, and I had big buck teeth. So you do the math. I got bullied. That's okay. That's okay. I don't blame him. I look like a dweeb anyways. Oh man, thank you everybody for being here. Let's see what goes on with price action right now. A little bit slow and steady, little break of structure here to the upside. We'll see if it can continue. Are you an elf? Elves can do that. Look, I'm wiggling my left ear. That's pretty good, yeah? Come on, tell me that's good. I'm doing the party tricks for you. Do I gotta zoom in for you? Imagine if you're new here. It's like, this guy's a fucking idiot. Who's this guy? This guy talking shit. He doesn't make money. This guy's just out here talking shit. Wiggling his ears for people on wiggling his ears for the crowd. And the crowd goes wild. Welcome to the Alex O Crypto Show, where we go live Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. If you want to make money, stay. If you want to lose money, go somewhere else. I don't know. That's totally up to you. Oh, man. I might take a little stab here. Oh, right into market open, too. You bastard. You bastard. Ooh-wee. Give me the retrace, man. Give me the retrace. I don't want to mark it in here. My entry is going to be up here. See, how do you practice good risk management here? You got to be super cheap. You got to be super cheap, or you got to lower your leverage, which come back just a bit for me, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. More Sui TP proof in Discord. Let's go. Let's go. Do you like that trade I gave? Did you like that trade I gave? I think Farmer likes the Sui trade I gave. Farmer's enjoying the gains from the Discord. Let's go, Farmer. Let's go, Farmer. He's farming all those money bags, man. Look at that. Let's go. Bada boom. Bada boom. Bada boom. Let's go. Mad love to you, Farmer. Look at the gains. Look at the gains, baby. Look at the gains. Look at the Sui trade. Give it an advance, man. Look at this. So easy. So easy. It's all the way up here now. It's going to the moon. We're not getting the retrace. We're not getting the retrace I want. Roy Rogers Spencer, bring it back down for us, bro. Bring it back down for us. Jeez. I might mark it in like a dummy. No. No, don't do that, Alex. So don't do that. Oh, man. Oh, come on back. Come on back, baby. Come on back. I'm no longer taking the weekend off. I seriously, I woke up in the morning. I saw the Bitcoin trade. I saw the Sui trade. And I'm like, you got to trade this. This is like, I never trade the weekends, but it was gift wrap, man. It was such gift wrap. Like, how can you not trade it? Come on back, Bitcoin. This was the trade here. So we had this one here. Look at this. You can't beat it. Look at this. You got, okay. Come on back, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Come on back. I'm watching it. I'm watching it on my other screen. Don't worry. I'm watching on my other screen. I will let you know. Come on back, Bitcoin. So you got connect the dots here all the way up. You got a beautiful, beautiful. I even gave you this level here. I gave you the 382 bounce here as well for this trade if you wanted it. But we took this trade here. We zoom in a little bit. We took it from right here and all the way up here for a Sunday, and you get all this beautiful, almost a 1.5% move for a Sunday. Whew. You can't get it much better. You break out, you retest, you get your little trigger wave down in here. All right. As soon as you break up here, I mean, it was perfect. Little retest of the previous highs. Look at the previous highs. You go in here. Oh, look at that. Oh, so good. It's so good to be good. And the long was given. Okay. So easy. And then Sui. I mean, Sui was just gift wrap. Look at this thing. This is a bullish token. You have a easy ass downtrend. You have ramping up here, consolidation, pop, lock, and drop it, baby. I mean, that was easy as well. Trading ain't easy, but sometimes it's just like you've seen it so many times. It's like, thank you, come again. Thank you, come again. Give me my money. Give me my money, honey. All right, so it does look like we are getting a little bit of a bounce here. We got 2 minutes until market opens. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, smashing the like buttons, all that good stuff. I mean, you guys are amazing. Mad love to every single one of you guys. 3 minutes to open. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. NASDAQ. NASDAQ, a little bit of a pushback here. Let's see if that can continue. The SPY, we'll see how it gaps. I think a gap down would be favorable. A gap down would be favorable. We'll see if we get it. Okay, we're looking for the retest here, possible retest. Come on, Bitcoin, give it to us. Give us that retest. We got VWAP and a resistance above us as well. We can look for the short up in here. Indecisive price action right now, in my opinion. We'll see. We'll see. Looking to possibly get long this morning. Dixie, flat. Aflac. We go live Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. Solving these markets, baby. Not easy. Not easy. Come on back down, Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. So we got continuation here on the 5. The 24 looks good. 15. 15 trigger. Anchor trigger. Basic market ciphers. Okay. Coming back down. Retesting here. Do we fire it off, guys? Do we fire it off? Is this the section where we fire it off? Are we getting big steezy long this morning? Whew. Come a little bit lower, baby. Come on. Don't do that to me. Don't run away. Don't run away. We got gifts for you down here. Who here is long? Is anybody long? Let me know. Put a 1 in the chat if you are long. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. And put a 3 in the chat if you are in no trade. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and put a 3 in the chat. I wish I bought Sui. Chop Sui. Yeah. Would you sell spot bags of Sui if it hits 2 and buy back at $1.40, $1.50-ish? I don't know if Sui gets back down there. So we got no trade. Someone's long. No trade, no trade, no trade, long. No trade, no trade, no trade, long. Long, short. Okay. No trade, no trade, no trade, no trade. I am very long. Oh, God. Kick drums being rude. I love it. I love it. 3 being patient. I like that. How about 219? 219, I think RS Miller means you are short, but you're really, really scared. You longed 62.8. That was the level, right? That's the level. That's the level. All right, markets open. Let's see. Market gaps down like we wanted to see. Gapping down. Why do we like gap down? Because typically when you gap down, you tend to fill. Gap and fill. Gap and fill. No, not fill the ugly neighbor you have, but gap and fill. Okay? Gap and fill. Rolling over a little bit here. What's the Dixie saying? Dixie enormous? Is that what Drum said? Dixie enormous. Okay. I'm going to mark this too, just as an idea here. Come on back, Bitcoin. Come on back, Bitcoin. We never took this high here. Equal highs, double top. Not trading this now. Double top. We didn't mitigate that high. Did we mitigate this? I don't think so. Barely. Ooh, Alexo Crypto's getting scared. Scared money don't make money. I just hear Crypto Face in my ear. Scared money don't make money. Let's go. Come on, bro. Use the market cipher. Use it. Right? Anyone ever hear Crypto Face's voice? Just be like, bro, don't be a pencil neck. Oh, and this channel is sponsored by Market Cipher. As you can see, we are Market Cipher sponsored. Crypto Face putting us on. I mean, God bless the Market Cipher family. We love you guys, all of you guys. Randy Hipper, Jason Casper, AJ Writes Crypto. I believe there's so many of them. Miss Teen Crypto, Randy Hipper. It's always Nick flopping groping. We watch out for those pencil necks, man. Watch out for those pencil necks. We don't want to deal with any pencil necks. It was very kind of Crypto Face to sponsor this channel. So I don't know what he saw. We're here. We keep crushing it. So we hopefully can represent that. And we are booking our flights to Vegas for Bitcoin Conference 2025. We're going to Vegas. So if you guys want to meet Alexo Crypto and his hobbit little ass, I'll see you in Vegas, baby. I'll see you in Vegas, and I'll buy you a beer. I don't drink, but I'll buy you a beer. But yeah, that'll be fun. I think it'll be fun. We can go to like the casino and watch you guys all degenerate gamble. That would be fun. Evan Aldo. Yeah, we love Evan Aldo. Evan Aldo has such a smooth way of analyzing the markets. He's very, very talented with the macro, more longer term style trades. I love it. He's very good. We got Geo as well, scalping. Amazing people, right? I mean, it's so cool. So cool to be part of the Market Cipher family. Doing big things, hopefully. So thank you, everybody, for being here. Lots of people long here, eh? We didn't get long. Double top, rolling over. The 1 hour does not, I don't know. 1 hour. You guys are brave, man. You guys are brave. Not the long I want to see. This is a little bit aggressive. Not something I'm getting in front of. You know, you want to step out into traffic here. Don't fight the trend. We're coming down. This is aggressive selling into market open. We saw the SPY gap down. Let the SPY cool off first, right? Okay, NASDAQ's pushing. Dixie rolling over. Okay, a little bit of a different story now. Okay, now we got some hopium. We got some hopium. We don't want to trade full hopium. We want to be collected. Okay, collected, sound and reasonable here, but this is looking like we could. 5 minute. Let's see this cool off. Let's see this cool off. 5-minute cool off here. Cool off. Let's see it bounce off the zero line possibly. My wife's here. Good morning. How are you? Oh, look at him. My boy. My boy. I got to kiss my boy. Thank you. My boy is growing too fast. My boy has got to be over 10 pounds now. He's a month and 3/4 this week. Is that an age? A month and 3/4? How many weeks? 7 weeks. Gay marriage. That's my son? My baby boy? My baby boy? Come on, man. Come on, man. Okay. Like, really, if we're looking at this, this is definitely this ain't looking good. This ain't looking good. Look at our time frames. Remember, we said the only hopium was the 30-minute and the 1 hour here. The 1 hour no green dot. Big topping tail here. We would like to get long here, but we don't need to get long here. We got key areas below us. Yeah, that 62,800 is a key level of support, though. So let's get rid of this. Get back to our levels here. Just rejection off the point of control of the range. Coming down. Sui's coming down now. Better take profits. Profits, not profits. You know what I mean? Looking for the higher low to come in here. Can we see a turnaround? I'm not seeing it just yet. Maybe I'm blind to it. 3-minute green dot. VWAP crossover, posturing to the. Everything's pointing up here on the 1 minute, but we ain't taking a 1 minute trade. We ain't taking the 1 minute confluence here. We got bullish divergence here on the 1 minute, as you can see. Lower low, higher high. Okay, hidden bullish divergence on the 1 minute. If that could play. That could play. Not saying it won't. I'm not saying it won't. This looks like it needs to come out a bit more. VWAP still down. 12-minute anchor trigger, push up, crossover. Need to see the crossover. Not convinced yet. Where's my volume at, man? I'm not seeing the volume come in. Unless this is just like a real struggle here at a key level. Let's see 5-minute volume. Yeah, volume's here, but it's chopping. It's very choppy. Oh no. And my stream's fucked again. Yeah, look. Look.